so much to learn about. It'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Meekah! Hey, Meekah! Hey, Meekah! Hey, Meekah! Look at what it is! A real race car! Whoa! Check it out! It's me, Blippi!
And hey, it's me, Meekah!
And today, we're here at the Daytona International Speedway.
Yeah, in Daytona Beach, Florida.
Yeah, and I'm really excited because we're gonna learn about all the jobs you can do on the Speedway.
Ooh, there's a lot of people on a racing team.
Yeah, and a lot of other jobs that help get ready for the race.
Yeah.
Ooh, let's go meet some people who work here.
Okay, let's go. Hey, I wonder what this job does.
Whoa, check it out. There's a platform there at the top of a really, really tall stepladder. Wait a minute. The person that stands there waves all the flags during a race.
These flags?
Yeah, those flags. And there certainly are a lot of them.
They're so colorful.
Whoa, look, there's a green flag.
What does that mean?
This means the race is starting.
And a yellow, that means caution, caution, slow down.
Oh, there's a dinosaur on the track. Whoa.
Red?
Red means stop.
And checkered.
Whoa, that means you win!
Congratulations!
You've got first place, so when you pass the finish line, they wave the checkered flag.
Look!
Wait a minute. If that is where the person that waves the flag stands, that means
Finish line!
we're standing on the finish line.
Yeah?
I have a good idea, Meekah. What if you and I pretend to be a driver and one of the flag wavers?
Okay, you drive.
Okay.
I'll wait.
Okay, there are your flags. Okay, I'm gonna start my engines.
Slow down.
Slow down for the yellow flag. Whoa.
Stop! Don't move a muscle. Not until I wave the green.
Green.
Yeah.
Green.
Okay. Winner, winner!
Yeah, the checkered flag. Whew. Race car driving is a lot of work.
Hey, check it out.
Whoa, I wonder what's up there.
Wow! We're so high up.
Check it out, there are so many cars down there.
Hey, Blippi, wanna play I Spy?
Oh, I'd love to.
You can go first.
Okay, I spy with my little Blippi eye something green.
Something green. Do you see something green? Oh, is it the field?
Yeah, it's all the grass right there down by the track. Okay, now it's your turn.
Okay, I spy with my Meekah eye something white.
Whoa, this one's gonna be tricky.
Uh-huh.
Well, is it a white car?
No, not a white car. Try again.
The white tents?
Not the white tent. One more try.
What about the white lights?
It's the white clouds.
Oh, yeah, there are certainly a lot of clouds, so that was fun.
Hey, I spy with my Meekah eye somebody with a cool job.
Whoa, well, we've been learning about cool jobs. Let's go say hi.
Hello, I'm Meekah. Nice to meet you.
Oh, hi, I'm Blippi. What's your name?
Brandon, nice to meet you guys.
Oh, it's nice to meet you, Brandon.
Brandon, what do you do?
I am a spotter.
Oh, a spotter. What does that mean?
That means I spot for the number 3 car of Austin Dillon, and I tell him what's going on around the racetrack. Like I tell him inside or outside or one back behind you or where the crashes are.
Oh, no way. That's like playing I Spy in real life.
Yeah.
Yeah, we like to play I Spy too.
Sounds like a really important job.
Oh, and so you tell them inside, outside, there's cars back. Is that to help them go faster? And if there's like a loose tire, they don't get into an accident?
That is for that, and also I tell them a little bit more to help them go faster. We have to have some teamwork out there, work with other people, and that helps us go faster.
Well, we love teamwork.
Yes, we do. What is your favorite part about being a spotter?
I have the best seat in the house. I'm the highest, and I get to watch the whole race from the beginning to the end.
Oh, check out this view. Yeah, it sounds so fun.
Would you guys like to try it?
Yeah, I have an idea.
Okay.
You'll be the spotter, and I'll be the driver.
That's a great idea.
And you can be a fan cheering in the stands.
Okay, give us your best cheer, and I'm gonna try to be the best spotter I can be.
Let's buckle up. Quick,
Okay, Meekah, go really fast, okay? Here we go. Time to see what we can see.
Yes.
Okay,
Lead the way, Blippi.
you're doing great. Keep it going. Watch your inside. Oh, a car's coming up on your outside. Here we go. He's too back. He's too back. Wait a minute. Meekah, you're doing great. Keep going. Meekah, I think I see a dinosaur on the track.
Dinosaur, oh no!
Oh no!
Get out the way!
His tail is right behind you! And you made it to the finish line! Yeah.
Great job, guys.
Oh, that was fun.
That was fun.
And Brandon, have you seen a lot of dinosaurs on the racetrack?
No, I look every race, but I've never seen one yet, but maybe someday.
Maybe someday. Well, thank you so much for teaching us all about being a spotter.
You're welcome.
We'll see you soon.
Bye.
Nice to meet you guys.
Bye-bye.
Whoa! It's race car driver
Amber Balkan! Yeah! Oh, it's good to see you, Amber.
It's so good to see you too.
Yeah. We're learning about jobs today on the racetrack.
Amazing. Well, my job is racing cars, which is my absolute dream job.
Whoa, yeah, racing cars and being a driver sounds so fun.
And who's this?
This is my crew chief, Dave.
Oh, hi, Dave. I'm
Hey,
Blippi.
Dave. I'm Meekah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Oh, and so you're a crew chief. What does a crew chief do?
Well, I'm in charge of making sure the car is safe and fast.
Whoa, you definitely want to be safe, and you definitely want to be fast. Oh, well, what kind of things do you do when you have a pit stop?
Okay, so when we come in for a pit stop, we have a jack man. He runs the jack,
Whoa.
and he pumps this jack, and it jacks the car out.
Whoa, check it out. The car's going up really high.
Okay, so when the car is up, we have a tire changer. He comes in, he takes these 5 lug nuts off,
Okay.
pulls this tire off, and he puts a brand new tire.
Whoa, and then he probably puts those 5 lug nuts back on.
Absolutely
1,
correct.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Absolutely.
Whoa, you always want fresh tires.
And then the other thing we can do is we have this hole on this side in the back window, and we have one on the other side. We can adjust the race car to make it more comfortable for Amber, to make
Whoa.
it faster.
Meekah, do you see these little holes?
Yeah.
Whoa.
That's so cool.
Oh, that's pretty neat. Is there anything else you do on a pit stop?
We also put gas in.
Oh, let's go check that out. Come on.
So right now they're getting ready to put gas in the car.
Cool. Do you see that big red gas tank? Yeah, that's really, really heavy. But it's what holds all the gas so that there's fuel in the car for the race. Whoa, he looks strong. Yeah.
That gas can weighs about 100 pounds.
Whoa, that's heavy. You have to be really strong to be in the pit crew.
And then when the jack goes back down to the ground, that's Amber's signal to mash the gas and leave pit road.
Whoa, I have a question.
Yes.
What's the fastest NASCAR pit stop?
It's under 9 seconds.
Under 9 seconds, that's
Yep.
so fast.
Whoa, that's so fast. Fast cars and fast pit stops. Whoa!
Thank you, Amber.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you, Dave.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for teaching us all about pit crews and racing. We'll see you soon.
Okay, enjoy your day.
Woo, you too.
Whoa, Meekah, that was so much fun learning about the pit crew.
Yeah. Hey, let's try changing this tire.
Yeah, we can try out some of these jobs for ourselves.
Yeah.
But what tool should we use to change out this tire?
Hey, how about that twerk drill?
Oh yeah, we can use this. Woo. And remember, if you ever need something that requires a drill or a power tool, make sure you ask a grown-up for help. Okay, here we go.
Okay,
we'll
friend.
set it on loose and start taking off these bolts. Here we go. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Can I do the last one?
Yeah.
Okay.
5. Okay, now we need to put a new tire on this car.
Okay, I'm on it.
Woo! Good job.
Thank you.
Oh, but now we need to tighten up these bolts. Meekah, would you like to try?
Sure, we gotta give our driver back on the road.
Oh, and remember, when we tighten the bolts, we want to do it in a star pattern so it's nice and even around the tire.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Just like a twinkle, twinkle, little star.
There you go. Whoa, nice.
Okay.
Whoa, Meekah, you're really good with that torque drill.
Thank you, pal. Oh, the clock is ticking. We gotta be fast.
Whoa, yeah. I think we took a little longer. But did you know the fastest tire change ever was 9 seconds?
Whoa, that's really fast.
Yeah, really fast. I think we need a little more practice, though. Okay, well, maybe we can find some new jobs to learn about.
Okay, let's go.
Well, Meekah, this race car is really colorful.
Yes. Race cars are usually decorated with decals.
Oh, yeah, those are just like really big stickers. But I don't have any stickers.
We can color this one
Oh, really?
with markers from my jam pack.
Whoa. Do you mind if I borrow some?
Sure, friend. That's what I brought them for.
Whoa, look. Blue and green and purple.
Black and red.
Oh, okay. Let's get to coloring.
Okay.
What are you gonna draw, Meekah?
A strawberry.
A strawberry? Well,
Yeah.
I'm gonna draw, let's see what I'll draw.
What is that? A circle?
It's this oval,
Uh-huh.
and then I'm going to draw,
A jelly bean?
you're pretty close. It's a flying saucer.
Ooh, cool. May I
Whoa.
borrow your green, please?
Yes, there
Here,
you go.
you can have the red.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna color in my UFO with some red.
Woo! Yum, that looks delicious. And I'll put my name too.
Whoa, I love your strawberry.
Would you like some?
Yeah, and I think something that would be great to draw next to your strawberry
What?
is a cute little blueberry.
Yeah!
And I'm
Yummy.
giving it some stripes.
That's so cute, Blippi.
Oh, and I better write my name next to yours.
Okay, can I borrow the purple?
Yeah.
I'm gonna add some grapes to our fruit salad.
Okay, I'm gonna write my name in red for fun. Here we go. Meekah, this is pretty fun. We drew some pretty pictures and some very colorful fruits.
Yeah.
Maybe we can just draw some colors.
Okay.
Yeah, here we go. Whoa, coloring is really fun. Well, but remember, this is a car that's supposed to be colored. You don't want to draw on any old, ordinary car. Only if you have permission.
That's not very polite.
Not polite at all. Well, here are all your markers back.
Here we go. I'll load them up into my jam pack.
And I think we should keep exploring and see if we can learn about some new jobs.
Yeah, I'd love that.
Okay, here we go.
Whoa, that was so cool learning about all these jobs.
And now that we learned all the jobs, it's time to do all the jobs.
Would you like to race first?
Yeah, thanks,
Okay,
Meekah.
friend, of course. Okay, let me start the race with my flags.
Oh, and I'm gonna get into the driver's seat and get all ready to go.
Okay.
Starting my engine.
Start those engines. On your mark, get set, go!
Whoa! Yeah!
Woohoo! Okay, now I'll be the spotter. Hey, Blippi, swerve to your right.
Whoa! Meekah, how am I doing?
Awesome. Okay, get behind the driver so we can go faster.
Okay. Whoa, so fast!
You're doing awesome.
Oh, this is pretty fun.
Okay, time for a pit stop.
Okay. Remember, we need new tires and some more gas.
Okay, 5-second pit stop.
Here we go.
Cool. Okay, Blippi, keep going. We're almost there.
Whoa!
The finish line is here. We won!
We did it!
We did it! Great job!
Whoa, we made it to the finish line, but now I think it's time for you to try being the driver, and I'll do all the jobs.
Okay.
Here we go. Woo. Okay, first, I'll start the race with some flags. Here we go!
Woo! Here I go!
Oh, the race has started. Uh-oh. I think I see some geese. There's a bunch of geese flying near the track. Caution! Whoa! Caution! Whoa! Watch out for those birds. Whoa, okay. Now it's time to be the spotter. Okay, Keep going.
What
Watch
do
your
I need to
inside.
do?
Watch your inside.
Okay.
Okay, speed up. There's a car to back. He's gonna pass you. But you're fast.
Yes.
Keep on the gas. Here we go. Woohoo! Time for a pit stop.
Okay.
Well, her tires look okay, but definitely want to fill up on gas.
Yes, I need a fill up, please.
Here we go.
Thanks, pit crew. You're doing great.
Full tank of gas. She's almost to the finish line. Meekah wins the race! Yeah!
Where's my trophy?
Your trophy? It's right here.
Yay!
The Meekah trophy! Oh, and the Blippi trophy.
Whoa, great teamwork!
Yeah!
That was so much fun learning about different jobs today and seeing those huge tires.
And it was really cool learning that a pit stop is where a car stops for a quick fix. Yeah, and the fastest one was 9 seconds.
Yeah,
Whoa.
and the pit crew are the fixer-uppers.
Well, that's the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of our videos, all you have to do is search for our names. Oh, can you spell our names with us? Okay, here we go. Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. Good job.
Will you spell my name with us? M-E-E-K-A-H, Meekah.
Well, we'll see you soon. And I'll see you, Meekah, at the finish line. Woo! Woo! Whoa! Check out where I am! The moon! Whoa! Oh, what's that? I'm getting an alert on my watch from a real astronaut in space! Woohoo! Yeah! Oh, hey, do you want to meet a real astronaut? Me too! Yeah! Woo! I know where to start. Come on! Whoa! Whoa! One giant leap for Blippi and 2 wiggly arms for Blippi friends. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and today I'm here at NASA's Johnson Space Center in Houston, Texas. Yeah, and I'm hanging out with my friend, Mr. Spaceman. How's it going? He's feeling a little quiet today, but I am so excited because we get to learn about, drum roll please, vehicles, yeah! All kinds of vehicles. Vehicles that take astronauts to space and around the moon. On the moon, come on. Oh, look who it is. Hello.
Hey, Blippi, welcome to NASA.
Oh, nice to meet you. What's your name?
Lucian.
Oh, nice to meet you, Lucian. Can you teach us a little bit about this vehicle?
Absolutely. This is a space exploration vehicle.
Whoa.
It goes on the moon,
Okay.
and this is a prototype, and on the moon, it will take 2 astronauts for up to 2 weeks and drive around the moon.
Whoa, so you can drive around on the moon using the space exploration vehicle?
Yes.
Whoa, it's kind of like a car, but it looks a little different. Whoa, look at these wheels.
Yeah.
Whoa.
It's a wheel module that can spin in all directions
Whoa.
and then drive with a central shaft.
Whoa.
And then we supersized it and put it on this vehicle.
Whoa, can I try, Lucian?
Sure.
Whoa, yeah, look, it can drive every which way. Front and back and side to side. Whoa, thanks, Lucian.
Cool.
Can we take a look inside?
Absolutely.
Let's go, come on. Whoa. Oh,
So
I'll follow you, Lucian.
it has 6 wheel modules, and let me show you inside.
I can't believe it. I get to go inside. Yeah! Oh, we're inside the space exploration vehicle. Whoa.
Come on in.
Oh, should I sit down over there?
Yeah, come sit down.
Oh, okay.
You can take either seat you'd like.
Whoa! Check it out! Whoa, this is such a cool vehicle. There's so many bright lights and colorful buttons. Whoa, and instead of a steering wheel, it looks like there's some screens and a joystick. Should we start driving?
Sure.
Let's do it! Woohoo! Yeah!
There's your seat belt.
Okay, and okay,
You
great.
got the other side.
Yeah, I think so.
It's just like a airline seat belt.
Here we go.
Buckled in.
all buckled in, ready to drive.
So when you push the joystick, the vehicle's gonna go forward.
Okay.
The wheels you saw all were cattywamped, so not until they straighten up are we gonna give you forward motion.
Okay, so when I push forward on the joystick, all those wheels will straighten up and we'll move forward.
Just with one motion. Are you ready?
Yeah, it's time to drive this space exploration vehicle. Come on. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna push forward on this joystick. Whoa! And the wheel's straightened out and it's ready to go. Whoa! Check it out! I'm driving! Okay, and then we're gonna turn to the left. So I need to rotate the joystick. Okay, here we go. Be a little bit like this. Whoa! Yeah, this is awesome. Whoa, so how fast can this vehicle go?
About 20 kilometers per hour.
Whoa.
Which is plenty fast when you're off-roading on the moon and Mars.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because you're going over hills and rocks and all kinds of things. Whoa, check it out, we're going up sideways. Yeah! Woo!
And do a pure twist to your left.
Pure twist to the left. Till all the wheels are facing the right direction. How about that? And then sideways this way?
Sure.
Okay, here we go.
That's a great idea.
Yeah. Oh, deja vu. Here we go. We're going sideways. Whoa! Whoa!
Let's go through a crater.
Let's do it! Full steam ahead! Woo! Yeah! Whoa! Here we go! Here we go! First, we're going over the first part and then down the crater. Woo! Woo! Whoa! Yeah! Whoa! Well, Lucian, this is fun. Whoa! Check it out! Wow, that was awesome, Lucian! Thanks for driving the space exploration vehicle with me and letting me have a try too.
Thanks for driving.
Woo! See you later. We're gonna go find some more vehicles. Bye! Yeah! Beep, 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 beep. Hey! Oh, that was so much fun. Wait, what's that? You see something that can go to space? Wait, is it over here? Nope. Is it over there? I don't see anything. What's that? It's behind me. Whoa, check it out. It's the Saturn V rocket. Yeah. Do you see how big it is? Whoa. Yeah, it's 363 feet tall. That's about 20 giraffes. Whoa, and when a rocket like this was filled with fuel, it weighed 6.2 million pounds. That's like 200 excavators. Whoa! And do you see? It has all different types of parts. This front part here is the capsule where the astronauts would sit. Oh, let's go take a closer look. Come on. Whoa, check it out. It's so cool and big. Yeah, this right here is the service module where they would store all kinds of things. Yeah, like a lunar rover or even moon rocks. Yeah, come on. Whoa, this is such a cool rocket. Yeah, and the next parts of the rocket all have fuel. Yeah, stage 3, 2, and 1. Whoa, you see the inside of stage 3? Let's go take a closer look. Woo! Whoa, it's so big in here. Echo, echo, echo. Wow, yeah. Stage 3 was really important because because this would help get the astronauts to the moon. It had an engine and lots of fuel. Woo, let's go check out the rest of the rocket. Come on, woohoo! This part right here was stage 2. That helped get the rocket out of Earth's atmosphere. Whoa, it's getting even bigger. I wonder how big stage 1 will be. Come on! Whoa! And do you see what I see? It's stage 1. Yeah! Stage 1 is so big, had lots of fuel, and helped to get the rocket off the ground. Lift off! Woohoo! Woo, let's go check out the back. Come on! Woohoo! Whoa! Look at this. These are the parts of the engine for stage 1. Whoa. Do you see how big it is? Yeah. Whoa. When you see a rocket take off, lift off, it's really bright, really loud, and really hot because of all of that burning fuel. And that helps the rocket go to space. Woohoo! Saturn V! Woohoo! Here we go. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa, check it out, it's a space rover, yeah! Whoa, but I wonder what kind. Oh, hello there.
Hi.
I'm Blippi, what's your name?
My name's Emily.
Oh, hi, Emily.
Hi.
Oh, Emily, do you work at NASA?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, cool, well, could you tell us about this rover here?
Absolutely.
What's its name?
This is the Viper rover.
Whoa, the Viper rover, yeah, that's a cool name. What does it do?
So Viper is set to launch the moon in search of volatile resources.
Oh, whoa, what are those?
Like water and ice.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
So it finds the water and ice.
Exactly, and it'll essentially be the pioneer to bring us back to the moon so that when we have astronauts go back, they know where to look for water.
Oh yeah, so when astronauts go where they conduct experiments, they'll know where to find the water, the ice, and the gas.
Correct.
Oh, cool. Whoa, well, this is a pretty cool rover. It's so colorful too. Look at all the parts. There's a wheel, and it's the color white. Look. Whoa, Emily, what's this?
Oh, this is one of Viper's solar panels.
Whoa, look at this solar panel. You know, I like this solar panel because it's one of my 2 favorite colors, blue. And Emily, what's this part here?
This is actually one of our science instruments.
Whoa, it's like a tool. Whoa. Very important. Oh, is this also a space tool too?
Yeah, essentially, it's one of our batteries.
Whoa, wait a minute. So the solar panels get solar energy to power Viper, and all that energy is stored here?
Correct, yes.
Cool. Oh, well, is this the vehicle that will go to space? Will this actually go?
That's a great question. Actually, this one is used by engineers here on Earth to build in preparation for the actual real rover.
Whoa, yeah, this is a prototype or practice vehicle. Yeah, this is a practice that an engineer will build so they get better at building the real Viper. Well, could we see the actual Viper?
Yes, actually, we're building one right now.
Whoa, check it out. Whoa, it looks so different. It's not as colorful, but it's so sparkly. Hello, Viper. Wow. Oh, and are those people working on Viper?
Yeah, those are engineers working in the clean room currently. And as you can see, the rover is in a few different pieces, but in the end, when the engineers are done, it'll all come together to form Viper.
Yeah, and then it can drive around on the moon.
Correct.
Thanks for teaching us, Emily.
Absolutely, thanks for stopping by.
Yeah, see you later. Bye. Wow, that was so much fun learning all about the Viper rover. Yeah. Oh, on its search for water, ice, and gas. Yeah. Oh, well, speaking of water and ice, and after all this learning, I think I could use a drink of water. Come on. Got you. Good job, Viper. Houston, we have the Wiggles. Check it out. I'm here at Mission Control at NASA. Whoa, Mission Control is a really cool place where all of the people who work here on Earth can talk to the astronauts in space. Yes, they can communicate with headsets like this to all those astronauts that are working on experiments, and staying at the International Space Station. Whoa! Well, look at all the screens. There's a lot of numbers around here. I think I'm gonna need a little more practice and training before I can work at Mission Control. I know, I can communicate with Meekah. Meekah, do you copy?
I copy, Blippi. I'm all strapped in and ready for liftoff.
Okay, launch is a go. Hey, will you count down with me? Okay, here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Blast off! Whoa! See you soon! Whoa! This is so fun working here at Mission Control, or at least pretending to. You know, it would be really cool to meet someone who actually works here. Whoa, wait! Look who it is! It's Flight Director Rick Henfling! Hi, Rick!
Hi, Blippi. It's so nice to meet you.
Oh, it's nice to meet you, too. Oh, I can't believe I'm talking to an actual flight director. Oh, and Rick, what exactly does a flight director do?
So the flight director is in charge of the International Space Station. We keep the space station flying safely so the astronauts can do their experiments and then return home safely to their families when their mission is done.
Whoa, and do you look over all the people that work here in Mission Control, too?
That's true.
Whoa.
We have specialists who know all about the space station.
Whoa, well, what kinds of jobs do they have?
We have people who are experts in computers,
Whoa.
experts in communications.
Well, do you even have an expert in air conditioning?
That's right. We need to make sure the space station is nice and comfy for the astronauts to do their experiments.
Oh, yeah. You don't want to be too sweaty. Whoa, and what's this up here?
So this is a map of the Earth that shows where the International Space Station is. We're flying over the northern part of America.
Wow, look. Do you see that right there? Oh, it looks like the space station is floating along. Oh, but I bet it's going kind of fast, right?
It goes super fast. It goes 17,500 miles per hour.
17,500 miles per hour? Woo! That's faster than an excavator. Whoa. Oh, and Rick, are those astronauts?
Those are real live astronauts. They're getting ready to return home the experiments that they've been working on so that the scientists on Earth can go and answer the hard questions they were asking.
Wow, that is so cool. Yeah, being an astronaut is a very important job because not only do you have to be in space, but you're a scientist too. And woo, hello. Hope you're having fun floating around. Whoa. Well, we'll let her get back to work. Well, Rick, thank you so much for teaching me all about being a flight director and for showing me Mission Control.
We were so happy to have you, Blippi. Thanks for coming.
Bye, Rick. See you later. Hey, it's me, Blippi. And guess what? I'm floating in space. And we get to talk to a real astronaut in space. Yeah! We have some space questions for our good friend, Jasmine Movelli, who's also in space right now. Can I ask some questions?
Yeah, absolutely.
So, question number one, what is it that you do in space as an astronaut?
Well, Blippi, our main mission up here is to conduct science experiments and research. But as a part of living and working in space, we also have to take care of the space station itself. So if anything breaks, we have to fix it. If something outside the space station breaks, we need to put on our spacesuits and go do a spacewalk to fix it. If anyone's not feeling well, we need to take care of them. And we also need to take care of our own bodies. So we exercise every day for 2.5 hours.
Whoa, that sounds awesome. Yeah, it's so cool to be talking to you right now because you're on the International Space Station. And I think that's a good idea to take care of yourselves and the space station. Woohoo! What is your favorite thing about being an astronaut?
Blippi, I think my favorite part about being an astronaut is the people I get to work with. I have a crew of 6 other people up here with me who I love living and working with. You've visited Mission Control and met all the people that work down there. We've had so many people train us and keep the International Space Station flying for over 25 years now. So I think my favorite part would be all the great people I get to work with every day.
Aw, that's a great answer. Yeah, it feels like it's a big space family. Do you play with your food while you're in space? I see that gravity's very different up there.
Well, Blippi, that's one of the best parts about space. We basically have to play with our food to eat it. For example, I have some candy-coated almonds here, and you can see to eat them. Float them over, and water also behaves really interestingly up here. So you can make a bubble with the water and it will just float around. And then you can drink it.
Whoa, Jasmine, that's amazing. Whoa, that looks like so much fun, eating candy almonds and drinking some yummy water. That's so cool. That was so much fun. Well, I was going to spell my name, and then would you like to spell your name?
Sure, that sounds great.
Great. B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. Great. And can we spell your name with you?
Sure. My name is Jasmin. Jasmine.
Awesome. Well, it was so nice to talk to you, Jasmine. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.
You too, Blippi. Hope you had fun on the International Space Station.
Yeah. Whoa, wow! I had the best day here at NASA's Johnson Space Center. Yeah, I got to drive a space exploration vehicle and learn about all kinds of vehicles that go to space, the moon, and maybe even Mars someday. Yeah! Well, that's the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Hey, can you spell my name with me? Okay, here we go. Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. Good job. Well, I'll see you later. See you on the moon. Woo! Woo! Yeah! Woo! Hey, it's me, Blippi.
Hi, and I'm Meekah. And today we are at the Magic House in St. Louis, Missouri.
Yeah, and today we're meeting Levi, who was the winner of the Blippi and Meekah in my hometown contest.
That's right, I'm so excited.
Me too.
Levi!
Levi! Whoa! Whoa! Here we go! Whoa, that was fun. Here we go.
Hey, Levi, should we play in the rocks together?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Rock time! Woo!
Whoa!
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa, Levi, this rocks.
Yeah, this is really cool.
Why did you say these rocks are sand when you're doing the video?
Whoa! Whoa, what's this?
A backhoe.
Whoa, is this a backhoe with an excavator arm attachment?
Whoa,
Look.
this one has an arm too, look.
Whoa! Whoa!
Hey, Blippi and Levi, should we make a really big rock pile?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
That's a great idea.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Okay, here, I'll grab a shovel.
Oh, here's a shovel if you want one, Levi.
Okay.
You want one or you want to use your hands?
This one looks broken. I don't want to use the shovel.
Understood.
Okay, here we go. I'll use this shovel.
Meekah, we can put it in here.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Whoa, Levi, this is gonna be the biggest rock hill ever.
Wow. Oh, you're so strong.
Whoa, I think it's about filled. Levi, do you wanna dump it out?
No, not yet.
Not yet,
let's put some
even
more.
bigger. Okay, here.
Whoa. There's so many rocks.
Will any more fit?
Whoa.
Levi, will any more fit? I think we made it so tall. Do we wanna dump it out?
Yeah.
All right, ready?
Okay, here we go. On the count of 3. 1,
1, 2, 3.
Whoa! Yeah, I think we can make it even taller if you want.
Yeah, you want to try?
Put a couple more scoops.
Whoa. Woo!
Whoa!
Here, maybe. We can.
A lot taller than the sky.
Whoa, let's try to.
Let's build a mountain.
Yeah, the
Whoa.
biggest mountain ever.
Well, Levi, it would be
Push all
a
the
mountain?
Yeah.
Wait, how many rocks would that take? Would it take 100 rocks?
Maybe, a million rocks.
A million rocks?
Challenge accepted.
Whoa!
All right.
Oh, wait, Levi, maybe we can build some more over there too. Maybe we can do the biggest, tallest tower ever.
The tallest tower in the world!
In the whole world! Okay, here we go.
Whoa.
Are you ready? Okay, we're gonna stack some of that.
We need it on heel.
Oh yeah, here, let's push it
Okay,
together.
let's make it maybe 2.
Maybe 2 instead of 3, and that way we can make it taller.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Look,
Okay.
Blippi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
11. Here, we're gonna make 2 towers instead of 3 towers, so it can be even taller.
Whoa!
Look at this, Levi. It's gonna be super duper tall. Okay, whoa. How about this? I'm gonna hold the bricks, and then maybe, Meekah, you can help stack them. Okay, here, let's scooch it over a little.
Okay.
Okay, and then I'm gonna hold these.
Okay, Levi.
Okay, I'm holding the bricks. Wait. Whoa! Levi, we need a couple more. Here, can I have some too?
Oh,
Okay,
yeah.
here we go.
Here you go.
Okay. Got it.
Okay.
Here you go.
Okay, here we go. Whoa, this is so tall. It's as tall as Blippi. It's as tall as me.
Wow.
Whoa.
Okay, Levi, are you ready for this?
Yeah.
Do you feel strong?
Do you feel strong?
Yeah.
Do you feel fast?
Yeah.
Okay, are you super duper duper ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready for the countdown?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go Levi, go! That was so fun!
Hey,
Wait.
Levi and Blippi, I just thought of something.
Oh, what was that, Meekah?
Do you want to go outside and ride tricycles?
Yeah, let's go outside.
Oh, let's do the walk sugar, then go do the trikes, Meekah.
Yeah, let's go that way.
Let's do it, come
Let's do the
on!
walk real quick, then do the trikes, okay?
Okay, let's go, follow me!
Run! Whoa!
Whoa, this is so cool! Oh, what are these? Levi, what are these?
Tricycles.
Whoa.
Tricycle!
Whoa, Levi, do you want to race us?
Yeah.
Okay, well, first things first, good thing we have our helmets on, so we're safe.
Yep, nice and safe.
1, 2, 3, 6, go!
1, 2, 3, 6, go!
Let's go!
Go, Levi, go!
Okay.
Whoa!
Yeah!
We did it!
Whoa! Levi!
Whoa!
Woo! We did it! We raced, and I think the results are in. The winner of the Levi, Blippi, and Meekah race is Levi! Woo!
Blippi and Meekah, who are you?
Levi!
Blippi, look!
Whoa, it's a letter with our names on it.
Oh, cool!
I wonder who it's from. Hi, Blippi and Meekah. I can't wait to see you today. I got here early and have been playing. Can you find me at the place where vehicles go to get fixed? Levi!
Oh, that's so cool! Okay, so where vehicles go to get fixed. Mechanics!
Yeah.
Mechanics fix vehicles?
Yeah, and they work at auto shops.
Yeah, let's go check it out!
Yeah, come on! Woo! Whoa, Meekah! We made it to the auto shop!
Yeah, we're here, but I don't see Levi anywhere.
Levi! Levi? He's not back here.
No. Whoa! Check out this blue car. One of your favorite colors, Blippi.
Yeah, I bet this car can go so fast.
Oh, yeah.
But it's at the auto shop, which means I think it needs some repairing.
Yeah. Wait, is this your car?
Oh, yeah, it is my car.
I had a feeling. So what seems to be the problem?
Well, it's been making a really strange sound, kind of like this.
Ooh. I've heard this before. I have heard this before. Well, number one, you don't have a wheel or tire here, Blippi.
Oh. Whoa, well, if only there was a mechanic that could help me fix my car up.
Not a problem. Mechanic Meekah is here. Here's this new wheel and tire.
Whoa, check it out. A wheel and tire that looks like it's the perfect size.
Exactly. We can just line this up, see? 1, 2, 3, and look. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
See how it matches on there?
Fits right through the holes.
Yep.
Whoa, great job. You were really good at lining that up.
And I have all of these tools here to make sure that it's nice and secure. You want to help me?
Oh yeah, here. We'll put on
there?
some of these little bolts.
Yep.
Here we go.
Get a different one.
Those are kind of hard to put on. I think we need to use that tool of yours.
You think?
Yeah.
Here, you want to try this one?
Oh yeah, here, I'll put on this
Okay.
one.
Okay.
Here, let me put on this last one.
There! It's all fixed.
Well, we better put away all the tools.
Yep, you're right. Okay, let's go over here and make sure everything is put away and all. Blippi. Another letter!
Whoa, I wonder if it's from Levi. You better read it.
Okay, let's see. Hi, Blippi and Meekah. Do you know where fish live? I'm headed there next. See you soon, Levi.
Whoa, do you know where fish live?
Pond, a lake.
The ocean.
Yeah, an aquarium.
Oh, maybe we can find fish here.
Yeah, let's go look. Come on.
Whoa, Meekah, look at where we are.
Yeah, we're at a pond.
Yeah, this is definitely a place where fish like to live.
Yep, that's right. And oh, I see some fish.
Me too. Oh, I see a turtle.
Oh, hi.
Hello. Whoa, and Meekah, look at this. It's a fishing rod.
Cool.
And it says we can fish here.
Oh, let's do it.
Let's see if we can catch a really big fish.
Yeah. Okay, so with fishing, you have to have a lot of patience, Blippi.
Oh,
Already?
I think I got a bite.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Must be a really big fish.
Whoa, it must be huge or gigantic or humongous. Wait a second. This isn't a big fish. It's a tiny fish.
Yeah, it's so cute.
Hello.
Hi, Blippi. Hi, Meekah.
Oh, hi. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too. You are one strong little fish.
Yeah. Can I go back to my friends, please?
Oh, of course. Okay, bye.
Bye, little fish. Yeah, I love fishing and being outdoors. It's so nice to relax and breathe in the fresh air.
Exactly. I love being out in nature and just being under a tree and.
Oh, Meekah, I think I see something in the tree.
Me too. Let's check it out.
Okay. Woo!
Whoa, another letter.
I bet it's from Levi.
Yeah, you want to read it?
Yeah, thanks, Meekah. Okay, let's see what it says. It says, "Hi, Blippi and Meekah. All of this playing is making me hungry. It's time for a snack. See you soon, Levi." Whoa, Meekah! It's a pizza parlor!
This is so cool. We can pretend to make our very own pizza.
Oh, that's a perfect snack. And we can put our favorite toppings on it.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay.
We could start with some dough. Here you go.
Oh, that's a lot of dough.
Yep. Need the dough.
Yeah. And then
Toss it.
Yeah, we're gonna toss it up. Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! That was fun. Oh, and now we just need to put on some sauce.
Oh, here you go.
Whoa.
Some tomato sauce.
And I'll spread it around with a spoon. Ooh.
Yummy.
And do you know what comes next?
Yeah.
Cheese. Yum. Whoa, it's a winter wonder cheese land.
Oh, and what about some yummy vegetables?
We could put on some mushrooms.
Ooh, that sounds yummy. Oh, what about green peppers?
Oh, yeah, that sounds great. Whoa, Meekah, our pizza's looking like it's ready to go in the oven now.
Oh, let's do it.
Whoa, look at it. Here we go. Wow, great job putting all those toppings on it.
Yep.
Spreading around the sauce and cheese.
It looks so yummy. Here you go.
Whoa, thank you, Meekah.
I'm gonna put it right here in the oven.
Whoa.
Wow.
And now, my favorite part of cooking is...
tasting the food.
Yeah, eating it. Yum. Okay, here, I'm gonna grab some pizza for you,
Oh,
Meekah.
thank you.
And I'll grab some pizza for me.
Ooh.
Okay, and now...
It's really hot.
Time to dig in. Here we go. Okay, here we go.
Cheers.
Cheers. Woo.
This is the best
Yeah, I was super hungry after all the stuff and playing we've been doing today. Oh, and Meekah, I had a couple slices here, but it looks like someone else was eating pizza earlier.
Oh, I bet it was Levi.
Oh, Levi. It's a letter. Whoa, Meekah, I wonder what it says. Do you want to read it?
Sure.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it says, Blippi and Meekah, that yummy lunch made me feel ready to get back to work. Meet me at a special work site for some digging and building. Levi.
Oh.
Digging and building.
Digging and building. Oh, I know. I bet Levi is at a construction site.
That would be so fun.
I bet we can find one around here somewhere.
Yeah, let's go look for one.
Okay, let's go.
All right.
Come on.
Levi!
Levi! Whoa! Here we go! Whoa, that was fun. Here we go. That was so much fun, and I had so much fun today. But that's the end of this video. Hey, if you want to watch more of our videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Hey, can you spell my name?
Blippi.
That's
He
right!
already knows how to spell your name?
Wait, Levi, can we spell my name together, all together? Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi! Whoa, that was some good spelling.
Yeah, hey, will you spell my name with us? Okay, do you know how to spell it, Levi? I can help you. M-E-E-K-A-H. Meekah!
Blippi.
Yeah, well, you're really good at balancing.
Whoa.
And it seems like we have a little more playing to do. We'll see you soon.
All
Bye-bye.
right,
Can we race one more time?
Whoa, we can race one more
Oh,
time.
yeah.
Let's wave to our friends. Bye, friends.
See you later.
See you soon. Woo. Okay,
All right,
one
let's
more
race
race. Here
again.
we go. Woo. Here, I can lift this up. Woo. Okay, here we
1,
go.
2, 3, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1, go!
Let's go. Woo.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you